Everyone, this is Dave from BlackBull Markets, and today we have a quick look at the battle of the safe havens, the Swiss franc versus the Japanese yen, looking at an hourly time frame. Now, if you've been following this currency pair, just last week we had a major move. So major, in fact, it's the first time we've broken out of the 120 mark since about 2014. So this is huge for the currency pair. Hang around that 120 mark. We broke even higher to the 121, so quite a large psychological area. Now, I just want to put this into context. The point I've marked down here, the 118, was actually the pre-COVID high. So under that level was actually the normality for this currency pair. So we're in sort of very, very old territory here. Going back to the Friday, RSI indicated to everyone that this pair was incredibly overbought. So I'd imagine, potentially a lot of people were fairly bearish on this currency pair at the time, but it broke through to the upside to the 121 mark. Now, moving forward, it's really hard to see what's happening. It has reverted back slightly to that area, that 120 mark, and this is starting to become a bit of an area of congestion and support as it figures out what to do next. Next moves, we still are very overbought on the daily time frame. Could indicate that we're going to head back down to this area of congestion that we were before, so between the 120 and the 119.5 mark, hanging around in this zone. But on the larger time frame and zooming further out, we've got a lot of room to move to the downside. We're in sort of very old territory that potentially isn't sustainable for this currency pair as things go back to normal. But look, have a look at this pair, see what you think. Definitely check your fundamentals, as there's a lot at play with both currency pairs, with obviously the lockdown in Japan that was announced, the extension there, and then obviously gold being all over the show at the moment, and that correlation with the Swiss franc. But anyway, that's it from me. Thank you for tuning in, and happy trading.